Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to activate and deactivate screen locking sound on poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to move on setting. So here you just click on setting. When you have been moved on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see the option of sound and vibration. So here you have to tap on sound and vibration. After you have been click on the sound and vibration, you are going to find this screen, and from here again you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, okay? And here you can see on the last second additional settings. So here you have to move on additional setting, okay? After you have been moved on additional setting, from here you can see the third option is to play sound when taking locking device, okay? So if you want to on this sound whenever you are locking the device, there should be a sound, then just click on this icon, the sound will be on. And if you want to off, then again you just click on this icon, the sound will be off, okay? And here you can see play sound when taking screenshot. And if you want to off this play sound whenever taking screenshot, this screenshot sound, you just click on this icon if you want to off. And if you want to on the taking a screenshot sound, again you just click on this icon, this screenshot sound will be play, okay? It will be activated. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.